Now, political storm there brewing over Amazon Prime web series Tandav. It escalates as political thriller is now accused of mocking Hindu gods and hurting Hindu sentiments. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has sought clarification from Amazon today. A case has also been registered against the director, writer, producer and Amazon Prime India head in Lucknow's Hazratganj police station. In fact, the FIR is registered for hurting religious sentiments and indecent depiction of the Prime Minister. BJP and a section of Twitteratis have objected to a particular scene where an actor, Mohammad Zishan Ayub, plays a stage performer appearing as Lord Shiva. BJP MLA Ram Kadam urges countrymen to boycott Amazon products and Prime Video app.
वे जब तक लिखित तौर पे माफीनामा नहीं देते, घुटने टेक कर, हाथ जोड़कर, मत्था रगड़कर उन्हें देश की और विश्व भर के हिंदुओं की माफी मांगनी होगी। जब तक वो नहीं मांगते, समूचा देश अमेज़न का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट नहीं खरीदे, उसे बहिष्कृत करे, अमेज़न प्राइम वीडियो का ऐप डिलीट करे और उनको सबक सिखाए कि इस मां भारती के पवित्र भूमि पर विदेश की कंपनी आकर हमारे देवी देवताओं को अपमानित करने का दुस्साहस नहीं कर सकती।
तांडव वेब सीरीज के अंदर जो भी गलत चीजें हैं, लोगों की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचाने वाली हैं, उनको तत्काल हटाया जाए और अगर हटाने में कोई देरी की जाएगी तो उसमें कार्रवाई भी होगी और उत्तर प्रदेश में उसे प्रतिबंधित भी किया जा सकता है।
OTT प्लेटफॉर्म का मतलब है फ्रीडम आपके हाथ में है, आपके हाथ में फ्रीडम है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप किसी भी धर्म को छुएं और हिंदू धर्म के साथ ये बार बार एक जान करके, जैसे कहते हैं ना, एक खिलवाड़ बनाना, ये बहुत दुखद है और ये बहुत आघात पहुंचाता है।
दोषी जितनी फिल्म वाले हैं उससे ज्यादा तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है। सूचना प्रसारण मंत्रालय के अधीन ही तो सेंसर बोर्ड आता है। सेंसर बोर्ड कहाँ सो रहा था? क्यों उसने जारी किया ये? तो क्या सबको निकाल के बर्खास्त करेंगे या फिर भाजपा की सोची समझी साजिश है कि किसान आंदोलन चल रहा है, कुछ ऐसा होता रहना चाहिए, इसलिए किया जा रहा है?
तांडव, अगर मैं सिनेमाटोग्राफी और इसके हिसाब से कहूं तो डायरेक्शन वायरेक्शन की बड़ी कमियां हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान में संभवतः कोई मजहब और समुदाय अब अछूता नहीं बचा है इस महामारी से, जहां छोटी छोटी चीज पर धर्म खतरे में आता है, मजहब खतरे में आता है।
Now, Pankaj joining us for more on that. Pankaj, take us to the sections under the FIR that has been filed against the makers of Tandav. I believe one person was also arrested.
Well, Nabila, interestingly, as far as Mumbai is concerned, the complaint of the BJP MLA Ram Kadam has not been converted into an FIR here. And interestingly, a team of the UP police is in fact on its way to Mumbai to question the officials of the Amazon here. This is the scene outside the very headquarters of Amazon Prime here in Mumbai. BJP MLA Ram Kadam, along with some of his supporters, has been in a meeting with the officials for more than an hour now. And interestingly, now he is questioned the role of Shiva Sena as well. One, he has said that it is Shiva Sena that is forcing the Mumbai police not to register a complaint in this regard. And secondly, he is again raked up the issue of Hindutva, saying where is Shiva Sena right now? And even though BJP is fighting this very battle, the Shiva Sena is nowhere to be seen. But even when he is inside the meeting, he is tweeting that the Amazon officials are not really ready to budge right now, and they are not willing to offer the complaint, but he is still inside meeting with the officials. It's been more than an hour, and he has said that their boycott of the web series and their protest will remain until a written apology is given. Earlier in the day, we saw how outside the BKC police station, Ram Kadam, along with many BJP supporters, deleted the app from their mobile phones, the Amazon app from their mobile phones. He has questioned the senior Bollywood actor, Saif Ali Khan, and he has demanded not just an apology but an explanation as well, that how was it possible that even after reading the script, he did not find the content of the web series inappropriate. So as I said earlier as well, this controversy has taken a big political turn now, and BJP now clearly blaming the Shiv Sena and saying that it is on the pressure of the Shiv Sena that the Mumbai police is not taking the complaint. However, earlier in the day, the police had said that the work on converting the complaint converting the complaint to FIR is still on. But as of now, the complaint has not been converted into an FIR, and it is interesting that now a team of UP police is on its way to Mumbai
Absolutely. We're going
to
to
question
see what
the
happens
officials
with
here.
that. Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.